Yes, and we back. Okay, so I hope you guys been enjoying my content. Like I said, I wanted to definitely crank out some content for this year, especially since I'm just in a very good, I'm in a great mind state. I'm in a great spirits. My juices is flowing. I got momentum. Shout out to my therapist because she's a real one. But if this is your first time stopping by, my name is Mikara. I am a personal fashion stylist and I also do other things as well. But on my channel, I talk about anything that is involving your appearance. And everything that is just beautiful. I just love beautiful things. I love creating beautiful things. So on this one, I wanted to do a review on this brand that I found on Instagram. It's called SK+N Muse. Yes, it's Black owned and I just got the package and I'm very excited because, well, first and foremost, it's Black owned. We all know I love everything Black owned. I definitely am a sucker for just putting Black people on a pedestal because we're so dope. And number two, they have a fragrance. I was actually just talking to my therapist about, you know, just changing some things up and some changes that I wanted to do. One of the things I want to change is my perfume scents. I haven't changed it in a very long time, and since I'm just in a whole new mind state, it's a new era. It's just a whole new energy. It's a whole new fuse. It's just a whole new, you know, direction I'm going into. And I feel like a new fragrance is definitely needed for the girls. So I saw that SK+N Muse has a perfume and I'm very excited. I'm excited, but I'm nervous because I do know how my pheromones work, and my pheromones work. It receives floral, sweet scents, sweet notes very well. And I think I saw I don't remember. I see a lot of things. I research a lot of things when I'm like doing other projects, but I think I saw it was like a delicate powdery type of notes, but we are going to get there. And I also ordered something else. I don't even remember. I think I ordered like the shea butter, the coconut oil, because I purposely washed my hands with a very trying soap just so I can experiment. But if I ordered the cuticle oil, then then we just gonna have to ride out with some ashy hands. But I purposely wanted to, I saw this package at my doorman. He gave it to me and I was just like, oh, I'm in a great mood. Let me throw on the lid. Okay, the haircut is still fresh. Yes, and we know we got plenty of earrings to play around with. So I just threw on a nice little top, okay, vintage. And let's get the show rolling. So I'm gonna unbox the good old SK+N Muse. So I got my little knife ready and we are going to unbox. I am so ready. I'm so excited. They got this nice and packaged. So, oh yes, Black owned, and it is, get this out the way, and it's in a sexy little velvet brown little pouch with the gold, which I love. This is super sexy. So yeah, shout out to SK+N Muse for the packaging. I'm definitely a sucker for packaging. I love appearance, not just for wardrobe, but definitely for branding, and it definitely is on brand. I love the suede, is super sexy. I'm definitely going to be using this for something else. Yeah, I like this. The shade of the brown is sexy. A+ for packaging. So this is a body oil. This is my mistake. Instead of a perfume, it's a body oil. So I'm going to be trying on the body oil from SK+N Muse. And then I'm definitely going to come back and record and let you guys know how it's responded to some people, because I definitely like to test it out on a wall around guys. I mean, I like to attract guys, and I want to see if it's really going to be like a magnet, an extra magnet for me. So I'm gonna try it on here, and then we're gonna bring it back, and then I'm gonna let you know my feedback on the response, the long wear, and X, Y, and Z. So let's get into it. Definitely some cute little things. Hey y'all. So Divine is what it's called. The oil is definitely nice and like cashmere. I like it. It's brand spanking new, so you do have to crank it out. It's definitely very, very delicate. It's very, very delicate. I'm not sure about the scent. I'm not too sure. It's not sweet for me. Yeah, it's not sweet for me. I like a pop. I like a pop of floral. I like chocolates. I just like sweet. I'm not really sure this is going to really sit very well with my pheromones. I really cannot describe the scent. I feel like I smelt this on a guy before. Egyptian honey and rose ship, Moroccan oil. Yeah, it's not too sweet. I mean, it's cool, but like I said, I don't know. I really can like smell this on like a guy. Yeah, I can really smell this on like a guy. It's not my favorite scent. I'm trying to smell it. I'm really trying to like it, but I mean, I did support. Yeah, Egyptian honey is not very sweet. It's not sweet enough for me. But if you guys like the scent of Egyptian honey, rosehip, Moroccan oil, and vitamin E, maybe this is a scent for you. But for me, I like sweet, darling. Yes, I like to wheel them in like honey and bees. So let's see what else I purchased. Yes, I did purchase some body butter, the citrus, cause child, my hands is definitely itchy. I love the packaging. I love dark glass and the gold top. Everything is like on brand. I've definitely paid attention to stuff like this. Like, it's on brand. I like the packaging a lot. It smells amazing. The ingredients are shea, cocoa, coconut, rosehip, and avocado. This is a nice mixture, and it smells amazing. The texture is like very creamy. It's definitely whipped. I can tell this is whipped. Let me see if it says it. No, it does not. But it feels amazing. Let me try this out. Woo! Cause Lord knows I needed it. That's so dry me out. Lord Jesus. I love this. I actually did not put too much. You saw me like scoop up like a little bit and like put it on the palm of my hands. But yeah, my hands smell amazing. And it feels luxurious. Yes, it's just, I like this a lot. Let me put some on my elbows. Okay, give her some tender, loving care. Yeah, she feels good. She feels good. This is definitely going in the good bag when I go out and about with the girls or on a date. Okay. Yeah, I like this a lot. I like this a lot. Yeah, the body butter is an A+ for me. Yeah, my elbows is like, yes, hunty. Yes, hunty. I am moisturized. So yes, again, these are the two products that I purchased from Muse. It's Skin SK+N Muse. I'm not too crazy about the body oil. Yeah, I want to be, but yeah, I just know what notes work for me. And I just got very excited when I seen a black owned company own some body oils or fragrance, and I just like purchased without even looking at the ingredients. But unfortunately, those ingredients in that body oil just does not. I mean, I'm gonna try it. Like I said, I'm gonna see what the men's is saying. Hey boys. But I mean, I already kind of have a pre-notated a note of it. Yeah, I'm not too crazy about it, but the body butter, yeah, this is getting purchased again, but I'm getting it in a bigger format. I will have to say this, but yeah, my hands feel good. This is a good body butter. This is an A+. So yes, y'all let me know down below in the comments if y'all gonna go check it out. This is not a promo. Like I said, I found the brands on Instagram, and yeah, and I just decided to purchase. So that is my review on Muse. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely enjoyed. We all know my favorite is going to be hands down the body butter. I will be using all of it along with purchasing another one, but the bigger format. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely follow, subscribe, thumbs up, comment. You know what, I might have to turn off my comments because I've been getting a lot of pervs and, you know, just robobots in my comments. But definitely give me a thumbs up, and we're gonna bang out some more videos. All right, I'll see you later. Bye y'all.